Hello and thanks for watching. I'm a new student and I want to turn in an assignment for my English class. I'm here in PowerSchool checking my grades, and I need to go to where the teacher has posted the assignment. That's in PowerSchool Learning. I go to the application launcher on this side of the screen. It brings up my options to go to PowerSchool Learning. In PowerSchool Learning, my home page will have a calendar on it, and just below the calendar there will be a list of assignments. This is my reading assignment, and this is the written assignment. So I'm going to click on here. It's going to take me over to the calendar page, and this assignment is going to pop up. I see all the details for the assignments, including the point value and the due date. I see some directions, and from here I can click the big Hand In button. Once I go to Hand It In, there's a couple of different options. First, there's a text and composition area right up here with lots of different editing features. So I can type in some text if that's what my teacher asked for. I can also pull files like PDFs and Word documents from my computer and upload those. In this case, my teacher has asked me to click on a link to a Google Doc. This Google Doc has forced me to make a copy, a little tool my teacher uses, so that everyone begins with the same template. In this class, my teacher wants me to fill in my last name and my first name as the title of the assignment. Once I'm done with the assignment, I'm going to click the Share button. My teacher does not want me to share the assignment with her as an editor. Instead, the teacher wants me to click on the shareable link and take that link and bring that over to PowerSchool Learning and paste that in. So back in PowerSchool Learning, I'll go to the text editor box and I will paste the link to my document, and I'm all done and ready to hand in the assignment. Thanks for watching.